For many travelers, collecting enough points or miles for a meaningful redemption can be really tough. So to combat this, programs will allow multiple members to pool their points and miles. And Hilton is one of those programs. So let's take a look at how it can work for you. Let's talk about the basics of pooling. Hilton added the ability to pool miles to its honors program in 2017 as a part of a broader overhaul. You can designate up to 10 friends and family members with whom you want to pool your points. Members can share up to 500,000 points per year and have up to 2 million points per year shared with them. There's no fee for doing so, but you have to be a member for 30 days with qualifying activity or 90 days with no qualifying activity to utilize it. So be sure to plan ahead. So the process for pooling miles is fairly easy. Just log onto your account at hiltonhonors.com, click on Points at the top, and then navigate to Buy, Gift, Pool and Transfer. From there, you'll select the Pool Points option and then enter the member details from the folks you want in your group. So what are the benefits of pooling? Well, first off, if you're short on points for a specific award booking and you don't have time to sign up for a new credit card, pooling miles with someone else is a quick and easy way to get the points you need to make that booking right away. If your points are set to expire, which happens if you don't have any qualifying activity for 12 months, then pooling them together will restart that clock. If you're planning to stay with a friend or family member that has higher Hilton Elite status than you do, you can first pool the miles and then let that member book the stay so that you get their elite benefits. And lastly, there's the suite. If you're looking to have a lot of folks in one room, it can oftentimes be cheaper to book one suite than multiple individual rooms. So in that case, pool your points together and then let the person with the highest status book the suite. Pooling is a great way to make award bookings happen that otherwise wouldn't, and it's really nice that Hilton doesn't charge a fee for this. So to learn how you can maximize this, click the link below.